Looking for unmatched power, precision, and performance? In this video, we reveal the best AR-15 rifles that dominate the field in 2025. Whether you're a tactical shooter, hunter, or home defender, these beasts deliver top-tier accuracy and firepower. Don't miss your next favorite rifle. This list changes everything. So lock and load, let's go.
Number 5. Smith & Wesson offers reliable, versatile firearms for all needs. Their lineup includes revolvers like the Model 10 and Model 686. The Model 10 is a classic 6-shot .38 special revolver. Model 686 handles powerful .357 Magnum rounds smoothly. The Man-P series features striker-fired pistols with polymer frames. Man-P pistols come in popular calibers like 9mm. The Shield series is perfect for concealed carry. Compact and lightweight with increased magazine capacity. Sights vary from fixed to adjustable for accuracy. Barrel lengths range for different shooting styles. Frames include J-frame, K-frame, and L-frame sizes. Materials blend steel durability with polymer lightness. Smith & Wesson firearms provide excellent control and safety. Ideal for users looking for reliable sidearms. Perfect complement for the best AR-15 rifles collection. Quality craftsmanship and performance you can trust.
Number 4. Daniel Defense DDM 4v7 AR-15 is top-tier quality. It's chambered in 5.56 by 45mm NATO for reliability. The 16-inch barrel is cold hammer-forged steel. Barrel has a chrome lining for durability. Features a mid-length gas system for smoother recoil. The free-floating MLK handguard boosts accuracy. Upper and lower receivers are 70-75 T6 aluminum. Built to mil spec with smart enhancements throughout. Includes grip NRIP charging handle for fast control. Rear receiver has a QD swivel mount. The magazine well is flared for quick reloads. Chrome molybdenum barrel has a 1:7 twist. Gas block is CNC machined and pin tight. Daniel Defense but stock and grip offer comfort. Every part screams reliability and top performance. Perfect choice for the best AR-15 rifles. Number 3. Springfield St. Edge delivers top-tier AR-15 performance. This compact pistol fires 5.56 by 45mm NATO rounds. It features a 10.3-inch barrel length. The free-float MLK handguard boosts stability. A Maxim Defense CQB brace ensures secure handling. Its match-grade trigger offers a crisp, short reset. The adjustable gas block adds custom tuning. Flip-up sights allow quick target acquisition. The bolt carrier is enhanced for durability. Its forged upper and billet lower ensure strength. Weighing just 5 pounds 11.5 ounces. It's lightweight. The AccuTight tension system tightens upper and lower. Includes a 30-round Magpul PMAG Gen M3. Springfield St. Edge is ideal for close quarters. A true contender for best AR-15 rifles. Number 2. Ruger AR-556 MPR is a top-tier AR-15 rifle. It's chambered in 5.56 NATO for powerful performance. The 18-inch barrel ensures long-range accuracy. A free-float MLK handguard boosts stability. The Magpul MOE-SL stock is fully adjustable. Includes a comfortable Magpul MOE grip. The Ruger Elite 452 trigger is clean and crisp. A 4.5 pounds 2-stage pull adds precision. The rifle-length gas system reduces recoil impact. Threaded muzzle with radial brake controls muzzle rise. The upper receiver is 70-75 T6 aluminum for strength. It comes with a 30-round Magpul PMAG. Weighs only 6.8 pounds for easy handling. Designed without sights for custom optics setup. Perfect for hunting, tactical, or target shooting. This rifle truly belongs in the best AR-15 rifles category. Number 1. Sig Sauer Sigm 400 Tread is a top-tier AR-15. It fires 5.56 NATO rounds with great precision. The 16-inch stainless barrel boosts durability and accuracy. Its 1:8 twist rate ensures excellent bullet stability. A free-floating MLK handguard allows fast accessory mounting. The rifle features a smooth single-stage, polished trigger. It has an ambidextrous safety for left or right shooters. The 6-position SLK stock offers comfortable, adjustable shoulder support. QD sling swivel sockets enhance carry options and mobility. At just 7 pounds, it's light and maneuverable. It includes a 10-round AR15 compatible polymer magazine. The MLK rail system expands tactical flexibility fast. This semi-auto rifle is built for precision and reliability. Overall, it's perfect for tactical, sport, or home defense. A powerful pick for the best AR-15 rifles category. Looking for unmatched power, precision, and performance? In this video, we reveal the best AR-15 rifles that dominate the field in 2025. Whether you're a tactical shooter, hunter, or home defender, these beasts deliver top-tier accuracy and firepower. Don't miss your next favorite rifle. This list changes everything. So lock and load, let's go.